Testing 1, 2, 3. Is it better, Paul?
That's a bit better.
Okay, Fahad will be presenting the case.
Assalamu alaikum everybody. We have a patient, Mr. Sajid, is 24 years old male with a chief complaint of bleeding per rectum and weight loss for 1.5 years. His current HB is 14.3 and platelets 3.6.
Okay.
Thank you.
Let's start, please.
Time out. Time out. Patient Sajid, male, 39 years old, colonoscopy, ID 9783, consent given by Imtiaz, patient himself, witnessed by Imtiaz brother. Under sedation, midazolam and nirbathum.
Okay, fine. Let's start.
Time of start, recording start.
एक मुआयना करेंगे, ज़्यादा जगह परेशान ना होइएगा, हल्का सा दवा लगा,
दर्द हो सकता है।
हल्का सा होगा।
Camera dark,
ठीक है ना? पर ठीक है, इट्स फाइन। कुरकुरन तो करनी है। Just check the scope in the water. पानी का है? Take suction and water. First, dip in the water then. Okay? It's working. Now here, dip the water. Yes. Now start. It's very important. Otherwise, you miss your. परेशान ना होइएगा, मुआयना स्टार्ट हो रहा है, ट्यूब डालेंगे, आप पूरे कवर्ड हैं, इत्मीनान रखिएगा। Just look upside. Let me pull the scope like from here, little bit high. Otherwise, you have face difficulty in the scope. A little back. Yeah. Always centralize the scope. Centralize your scope. It's very important. I think big wheel towards you. Little bit, pull back your scope, pull back your scope, pull back your scope. Yeah. You have to go this way. Forward your scope, big wheel towards you. Yeah, good, very nice. You have to complete similar the Newman. Yeah. Go a little bit forward. Yeah, go. Big wheel towards you. Towards you, big wheel. No. Big wheel towards you. Just clean your lens. Just clean your lens. It's very much hazy. Just clean your lens. Yeah. Distance should be maintained at least. Yeah. Otherwise, you can't handle the scope properly. Yeah. Clean your lens. It's still a little hazy. Clean your lens from here. No. Show me. I'll show you. From here, button. This is your air button.
Yes, sir.
You have to press continuously just to clean your lens. Otherwise, पिक्चर्स कौन लेता है? पिक्चर कैसे लेता? ले लेगा वो खुद ही।
यार पिक्चर लेते रहना।
हाँ पिक्चर ले रहे हैं ठीक है जब मतलब व्यू जब
Some jelly.
सॉरी
Jelly.
ओके दारू के जरिए लगा दूँगा वो लगा रहा दिस इज स्कोप गाइड ओके दिस इज ब्लू वन टू शो योर लूप हियर जब वो
You can look, sir, now.
या you see you just look here you made a loop here this no just pull back your scope centralize your lumen actually you miss your lumen just relax yeah go always centralize your lumen the vehicle towards you you can see lumen there just pull your scope a little bit forward yeah just forward your scope here's the trauma there yeah show me I'll show you
So what did you do, sir? You just
I'm
like
just
certain.
I'm suctioning the scope
Uh-huh.
little bit delooping the scope
Okay.
you see it's a bend is there okay
Yes, sir.
too much here makes it very difficult ओके अभी 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 ठीक हो जाएगा अभी ठीक है दर्द हो रहा है अच्छा अभी ठीक है yeah
So you're shortening, sir.
yeah you see
Yes, sir.
you see here
Yes. For like shortening, what do you do, sir? You just lock somewhere and then you pull it
yeah,
up.
because if the loop is there
Mm-hmm.
I just this is clockwise,
Yes.
anti-clockwise.
Yes.
कोई दर्द तो नहीं हो रहा आपको?
दर्द हो रहा है?
हल्का हल्का। Okay, okay. You have to go this way, okay? Yeah. Just little bit pull back. Yeah, go this way. Big wheel, big wheel down, yeah. Yeah, good. You have to go this way, okay? On your right side, yeah. Excellent, yeah. Little bit pull back, yeah, yeah, yeah. You have to go, yeah. Use your small wheel just so you can just look here. दर्द तो नहीं हो रहा तुम्हें? गुड. It's 3 o'clock, yeah. No. Movement should be in central, otherwise you. Good, yeah. To this way, right. Big wheel down, 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 down. Not affect. Away from you. No. Okay, show me. You see, it's a clockwise. Suction, suction, suction. I have to reduce my loop here.
Yes.
Otherwise, you see a scope is straight in.
Yes.
Hold your scope. Scope is straight in now. Little bit pull back, pull back, pull back. Go up, move forward. Gentle, gentle, very gentle movement, very slow movements. You have to go this way. Brake wheel towards you, towards you, towards you, towards you. Little bit pull back, little bit pull, little bit. Just section, clean the scope here. Yeah. Yeah, reduce your load. Reduce. Go, go. Clear your scope. Go. Suck and go, suck and go, suck and go. Suck and go. Centralize your lumen, suck and go. Suck and go. Centralize your lumen, otherwise you can suck the mucosa. It doesn't work otherwise. The loop is here, you see? Yeah. Show. You see? I'll show you. जेल लगाना बेटा के
Gel.
हाँ then hold this one and reduce your load. Reduce your load. Centralize your lumen. You fall back. Centralize your lumen. No. Centralize your lumen. Show. No, like just show me the scope. Yeah. Yes. You see?
Yes, sir. Yes. Now do it there.
Suck and go, suck and go. Centralize the lumen, centralize, centralize, centralize. Centralize the lumen, good. Centralize means exactly center. Otherwise you touch the wall. No, just make your hand here. Okay. Small wheel here. Centralize, go. Second, go, second. Go. Why? हाँ. इससे straight scope now. Go. इधर पिक्चर ले लेना जो भी बने ना पूछना मत इसमें. Go. हाँ. big wheel towards you, just forward your scope, big wheel towards you, towards you, towards you, towards you, towards you, towards you, towards you. Suck and go, suck, 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 go. I think it's a hepatic fracture. Okay, go. Yeah, excellent. Just go. Forward your scope, forward your scope. A little bit pulse. No. This is little bit pull your scope and go there. Suction, 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 suction. Not here, suction, suction, suction. Suction. No, just show me. I'll guide you. I think it's a hepatic fracture, okay?
Yes.
And just suction here. I'm just here. Just forward the scope. Okay. Forward the scope. This is I'm just pulling the scope from here. Pulling the scope.
Okay.
Yes, lens clear.
Yes.
Just again, I'm also because this loop is there. See, just pull the scope, wave wheel towards
so like
me.
while we are pulling the scope,
Yeah.
so like we need to like lock it somewhere or just
No.
place it?
Because there's no lumen here. I think lumen is upstairs.
Yes.
To have to if you just the foroscope, you can touch here. Just pull back, big wheel towards you,
Okay.
pull back, big wheel towards you. Okay, go. Just try. I'm giving you. Just look upstairs. Little bit little bit pull back. Big wheel towards you. Just suction and go. Suction, go. It not too much suction. You are sucking the mucosa. Just little bit. Lens clear. Just advance your scope. Go. Yeah. You have to go central. I think this is cecum. Yeah, go. Okay. Just little bit pull your scope. Pull back your scope. What Dr. Saad said, two major landmarks. Ulicical valve, appendicular opening. Okay? This is Vijay, the pedal is here. You can wash from here. Yeah. Wash your, yeah, wash. अच्छा सॉरी हमारे पास पीछे होता है देखिए विजय जस्ट शो मी स्कोप योर स्कोप पोजिशन इज वेरी ऑकवर्ड ओके जस्ट मेक योर स्कोप like this you can feel a little comfortable
Yes, sir.
okay almost like this if you want to go in terminal ileum
Yes, sir.
just identify your appendicular opening the C shaped okay for example in this patient I think it's very much clear Ulicical valve. Yeah, this is ulicical valve.
Right. Belay.
I'm again. ले लिया मेरा भाई ठीक है दिस इज यूलिसिकल वाल्व ओके
Yes, sir.
जो वो इंसर्ट किया है गो Very gentle movement. Go inside. No, no, the lumen. Big wheel towards you. Yeah, towards you. Just hold your scope. I'm just this towards you. Big wheel towards you. Yes, this is TI. Great. First attempt, begin in the TI. Okay. But no, just get here. No, no. Little bit. Pull your scope. Pull your scope little bit. Big wheel away from you, because you miss your lumen. Show me. You see, the scope is very difficult position. So, yeah. The two went inside.
Yes.
So just pull back your scope.
Yes.
6 minutes remaining.
Okay. Then 6 minutes remain. Just pull your scope. Yeah. Basically, the best part is always put your scope like this.
Okay.
Hold your scope like this, not like this, because otherwise you can't. Yeah. Just pull your scope. See up here. No down. Very gentle. Very slow. Slow. Very slow. Centralize the scope. Big wheel away from you. Big wheel, not yeah. Go inside. Big wheel away from you.
Picture.
Big wheel away. Yeah. Go inside. Away means just pull forward. Okay. Okay. Very slow. Yeah. Pull it. Not like this. Just pull your scope here, like this. See here. Big wheel away from you. Centralize the scope. Gentle movements. Very slow. You have enough time. Use a smaller scope as well. Small wheel. Big wheel away from you. No. The single hand. Do not use two hands. Yeah. Yeah, just pull your scope. Still you are not centralized your lumen. Okay, I'll show you. Then give me back to you. You see? It's clear.
Yes, sir.
This, if you, towards you, you see, your scope is there. Away from you. Away from you. Away from you. Pull your scope, small wheel.
So how do you small wheel at the same time?
Same,
And
same,
so-
same hand.
Okay.
Do not use two hands. Just clock, anti-clock.
Okay.
Centralize. When you miss your lumen, a little bit pull back your scope. Very little, yeah. Very gentle. Pull back your scope. Big wheel away from you. Big wheel away from you. You know, it's still no lumen inside. Big wheel, yeah. Just pull back your scope gently. No. देखते हुए आना है. आ जाओ. Come on, yeah. Yeah. Centralize your lumen. Use your, yeah. Small wheel with the same hand. Pull your scope. Big wheel away from you, little bit. Yeah. Excellent. Good. Come on. Suck this stool. Okay. Otherwise you miss your lesion. Just give air because you miss your lumen. No. Whenever you miss your lumen, just little bit pull your scope. Big wheel away from you. You will find your lumen. I'll show you. Let's see. You miss your lumen, okay? Nothing. Just pull your scope. Pull your scope. Hold it. Let's do.
Next question.
एक और पेशेंट होगा, एक और केस, या गुड, पुल योर स्कोप, excellent, pull your scope, yeah, excellent, gentle movement, slow, centralize your scope, you see the big wheel towards you, yeah, come on, centralize the lumen, just suck air as well, because otherwise patient दर्द तो नहीं हो रहा मेरे भाई साहब, सब ठीक है, परेशानी की बात नहीं, ठीक है भाई, चलो, no, you suck your mucosa, you have to suck when you are central position, otherwise you can suck mucosa,
So
yeah,
how to like sit in the central position, sir?
Huh?
So your like big wheel should be up.
sorry,
To have like the central position. How to
Yeah.
like, sit in there?
yeah, just pull your scope, yeah, pull your scope, there is a bleeding capacity, you have to see, you know how to do deflection? Okay, I'll show you. Okay, this is anal verge, okay. This is your rectum, okay.
Yes, yes, sir.
Just go inside,
Uh-huh.
this is the wall,
Yes.
big wheel towards you,
They will start me.
clockwise movement,
Clockwise movement.
थोड़ा सा दर्द होगा, I'm sorry.
You go how much forward, sir? Okay.
पिक्चर लेना मेरे भाई,
Yes, sir.
ठीक है. I'm just repeating again. This is the lumen,
Lumen.
anal verge,
Never.
go, this is wall is there,
Uh-huh.
just touch your scope here,
Okay.
big wheel towards you,
Uh-huh. They will start.
towards you,
Ah.
here,
Yes.
your clockwise,
Clockwise
and
rotation.
forward movement.
Yeah. Touch the lumen. We will start me
Ah.
and clockwise movement. Okay. Yes. Do you need to instrument the gas at the same time, sir?
Yeah.
Okay.
Just suck all your air and do the final. No. Just suck your air in the center. Just suck your air. Yeah. Just pull your scope. Yes, pull your scope. I think it's done. It's a normal examination. No hemorrhoids, no ulcer, no polyp, everything.
So for this you need to like cross the lumen, then pull your scope towards you,
Yeah,
and then do the like clockwise rotation,
clockwise rotation.
and then pull it back.
Little bit. Very gentle, very gentle.
Sir, I want to learn one thing. So when to keep scope like this?
No.
and Like, this, like
Just
what's
go,
the use of-
hold your scope like this.
Yes, sir.
Always keep your scope the same position.
Same
It's very important. Done?
Sign out. Sign out. Patient Mohammed Mohammed Amin Sajjad, Sajid Hussain, male, 55 years old. Colonoscopy, diagnostic colonoscopy done by Dr. Afzal,
Dr. Vijay.
Dr. Bigyan.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
जाइए माइक उतार दोगे आप?